Well, welcome back, everyone. Welcome to the market that won't quit after the turn that we saw at the back end of March. We're still in the uptrend channel for the primary market going back to October of 2022. Let's zoom into the hard right edge over here and derive some insight out of this market. We remain in an uptrend channel. It's a 2 standard deviation channel starting effectively the 30th, 31st of March. And up until this day, we've only had 2 really red or red candle indecision type days. So against the law of averages, we've seen a lot of rise here, inclusive of today, where we've seen the market go from effectively the lower 6,900s all the way up to over the 7,000 marker, coming very close to the all-time intra-session highs made on January the 28th. Can this market continue to trend at this clip? I think that we're overextended, and against a 2 standard deviation channel, just like the one that's on screen over here, reversion back down to the mean becomes a higher probability outcome. Now, is that something that's signaled just as of yet? The answer to that question is no. We don't actually have the signals saying down. In fact, S, the indicator that I've developed, has a signal on the daily chart for up, 4-hour chart up, 1-hour chart up with the double green dots. And as you're watching this video, the 5-minute and the 1-minute are a little less relevant as I record this into the end of the day. However, we're aligned on a daily 4-hour, 1-hour chart. Here's the rub. We've got a market that is extended and mathematically very far away from normal. The S indicator on that 4-hour chart tells us that, which suggests that over the next several days, in particular over the next day, we are more likely to see some of this give back. Now, how much of it can give back? Potentially a move that can take us back down into the mid 6,800s to upper 6,800s would be on tap. Now, I'm using these incredible S signals to help me with my live trading, much like I did earlier this morning over in the active trader room, generating over $1,500 in return. And when we take a look at the setups that I've been using the pre-trade conditioning setups, an up signal, a down signal, an up signal, a down signal, follow through action below or above the MSR channel, and then boom, in we go. If you like the market views that I'm presenting to you, and of course the high-powered tools, join me over at the Wealth 365 Summit by going to joinziad.com. It starts next Monday on April the 20th, first thing in the morning. I'll be speaking on Monday morning and throughout the summit. Of course, Rob will be there each day, and we've got an incredible lineup of speakers. Go to joinziad.com, get your seat now and all the goodies that come with that registration, and I look forward to seeing you there and in videos just like these. Thank you for watching, and have an incredible rest of your day.